Hello, and welcome to the battle of the frozen chicken. That's right. Today, we're gonna battle the beast. The beast that is the frozen brick of chicken. My second worst nightmare. I had this bad boy in my freezer for months, and I'm trying to clear out some space. So let's get to it. The plan of attack is we cook the chicken like it's just a regular defrosted chicken and see what happens. So I just lathered it up with some olive oil and I put my favorite spices on top. I like salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika, all the favorites. And then I like to cook my chicken in the air fryer because it always makes nice juicy chicken and it turns out really good. So let's just try it in there and see if it works out. We're gonna first try to defrost it a little bit so we can break it up. So we'll put it in for 370 degrees for 10 minutes, and then we'll get our battle knife out and we'll separate, we'll stab it, we'll separate it up a little bit. Gotta get that battle going with that knife. And then after we separate it, let's just spice up all the sides that haven't been spiced up. Spray it down with some more oil and put it back in. 400 degrees, 10 minutes. Then flip those bad boys. They're not looking so bad anymore. They're looking pretty good, actually. Alright, after 10 more minutes, they're looking pretty good. They're looking solid. Yeah. So then I busted out my B-dub sauce, because I love B-dubs. You can use whatever sauce you want, but if you put sauce on it and you put it back in for 5 more minutes, it makes them a little bit more juicy and crusty on top, Gives it that nice, juicy, crusty look. So let's open these bad boys up and see what they look like inside. Let's see if they're cooked. See if they're frozen inside, if they're cooked correctly. And, well, those are really good. Looks like we did it, guys. We won the battle. We won the battle. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what battle you want to do next.